Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and download a game from your Xbox application on your phone. So maybe you're at work and you want to go ahead and download the latest thing to your Xbox Series X. Well, you can easily do this via this application. Just make sure you're signed in with the same email address as your Xbox at home. And then what we want to do under this screen, we want to go to the three little lines over here. And this will be my library. Then we want to go to games. So you're probably going to want to set this up at home. So you can just sign in with the same account and link your Xbox real easy. So if I go to consoles, you can see my Xbox Series X is already linked in here. You can just go to setup console. But once we have that set up, all we have to do is find the game and then simply select it. So let's go to one of these games. How about Multiverses? I don't think that game's out yet, but I'm going to select it to see if I can go ahead and launch it. So it looks like I have my Xbox. It's already downloaded. So let's go to a game I probably don't have downloaded. So Texas something Hold'em. So when this pops up, now I have the option to download to console. So let's select this. And what Xbox? My one in the den. Installed to this console. All right. So it's downloading and it says waiting for den Xbox. And I believe it should be in like the standby or the rest mode equivalent. And it should be downloading. So it's just waiting. I don't think I see it turning on or anything. So it should be downloading. And if it's not, go ahead and just try turning on your Xbox to see what it does. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.